Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, eBay giving you a hard time, can place a bid, listings not loading, maybe messages to sellers aren't sending. Don't worry, try these steps. First of all, you need to fully close and reopen the app. Just like this. If it didn't help you, try to check app permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, eBay, and permissions. There, as you can see, there's no permissions allowed, so we can allow something. Allow some of them, and here we go. Go back to eBay, and if you still have some problems, try to reinstall the application. Let's go to a Play Store, eBay, go here, uninstall, and install it again. Okay, we have reinstalled the application, and even if this didn't help you, try to see if it's not just you, because there's might to be a drop down on the servers of eBay, and to check the servers we need to go to the down detector. Let's go here and search for eBay. As you can see, there are minimalistic drop downs, like 1, 2 and 3 of them, so it might not be the problem of servers. And to check on other, and if it didn't help you, we need to check the Wi-Fi connection, just like this. And if your Wi-Fi is working correctly, just try to restart your phone, and I hope it will help you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.